Amazing juices for the treatment of different diseases, health and beauty forever. These juices are used to cure different disease known as juice therapy. The use of juice increases the strength of organs like lungs, liver, kidney and skin, which results in the increase in metabolic rate. The doctors always advise for the fresh juices in any kind of disease, but the question arises that which juice is better for which disease. Sometimes juices are not better for the body because that juice was not suitable for the cure of your problem, as every fruit or vegetable is not good for every disease. So, you should know about it, and the solution of your problem is here. There are some amazing juices for the treatment of different diseases. Amazing juices for the treatment of different diseases. Acidity. Drink the juice of grapes, carrot and orange to cure the acidity. Allergy. In case of allergy, drink grape, beet and carrot juices. Acne. For the removal of acne and spots, drink grapes, tomato, and cucumber juice. Anemia. Use the juice of red grape, beet, strawberry, carrot and spinach to improve the shortage of blood. Arthritis. Drink apple, cherry, grapefruit, cucumber, beet, pineapple and spinach juices to cure the problem of arthritis. Asthma. The people who have the problem of asthma should drink lemon, peach, carrot and radish juice. Bronchitis. The onion, carrot, peach, pineapple, tomato and lemon juice are beneficial for the bronchitis patients. Flu. The juice of spinach, grapefruit, carrot, onion and pineapple is useful to cure flu. Diabetes. The juice of tangerines, oranges, grapefruit, lettuce leaves and spinach is useful for the diabetic patients. Obesity. To reduce the weight, use cherry, pineapple, tomato, beet, cabbage, lettuce leaves, spinach and carrot in your diet. These were the basic and amazing juices for the treatment of different diseases.